Oh, he hits it big. He hits it long. He hits it out of the ground. A Vaibhav Sooryavanshi special right in front of you. 22 for 1 after 2. Priyansh Arya had to make the long walk back. Trying to steal that quick single. This gets Namandhir on strike for the first time. Rohit would be disappointed. Fell into Vaibhav's arc, didn't it? No movement. I think he was searching for that swing that he was getting in the first few deliveries. Strayed a little bit towards middle and leg, and Vaibhav Sooryavanshi said, "Thank you very much. That's bread and butter for me." As Ayan comes into the attack, he's rotating his bowlers is Alishan Sharafu. Ayan Afzal Khan has 53 wickets to his name. What an economy. Up and over. Here's the infield. This is clever batting. As Namandhir gets off the mark with a boundary.
That is why India chose to bat first, because they know it's a good batting surface. If they get a good total on the board, they can put pressure on UAE. Tension's clear. You're going to go after the bowlers. Pressure on the bowler, bowling very short, making room for himself. Naman. Headed over extra cover.
Oh, hey, beauty, are you?
Good comeback by Ayan. Having seen Pakistani bat the way they did, Hitesh Sharma also saw the fact that this could be one of those grounds where you can score heavy and score big and add that pressure. Ayan Afzal Khan, of course, on the cusp of turning 20, still a teenager. 19 years old, and has that match-winning ability to his name. Won them a match against New Zealand a few years ago. That time he was just 17. What's happening here, Manipa? There's a 14-year-old who slashes at that ball. Calls for catch, but there's no fielder there. That's safe zone for Vaibhav Sooryavanshi. He's waiting for the umpire to give the signal. Rahul Asher, whether it's a 6 or a 4.
Yeah, the call for a catch was because it didn't time it too. But he hits it so hard that the ball keeps going away from the fielders. He knows how to take advantage of the first 6 overs. He knows there's only 2 fielders outside the 30-yard circle. That's going to be a boundary. Vaibhav will take it. His intentions were clear. He's going to clear that 30-yard circle. Or signal by the umpire.
Full toss. A gift. And a gift taken with both hands.
Ayan's birthday tomorrow. It's going to be 20.
You're saying that he is one of those people who gives gifts to the other people?
He should be getting gifts. Instead, he is giving gifts. That's pressure. The batter in front.
Shorter this time, overcompensating. But the end result is just the same. Expensive is Ayan. 21 of the over, 43 for 1. Here you go. That third over has just suddenly changed and transformed how India A would probably look at this innings right at the start, because initially, yes, they were getting the runs, but it was a little circumspect. But Vaibhav Sooryavanshi clearly has his eyes set in now. Rohit. Lucky. As they say, luck favours the brave. Namandhir didn't have to do much there.
And in T20 cricket, it doesn't really matter where the runs come from. Inside edge, a boundary.